Hey there, welcome back to Beauty Natural Fit Belle. If you've been feeling overwhelmed, anxious, or constantly stressed, you're not alone. But what if I told you that you don't need to rely on medication to find relief? Today, I'll be sharing the best natural remedies for anxiety and stress, remedies that have been proven to calm your mind and body naturally. So, take a deep breath, relax, and let's get started. Let's start with something simple yet incredibly effective: deep breathing and meditation. Studies show that deep breathing activates the parasympathetic nervous system, which helps calm anxiety and lower stress hormones like cortisol. Try box breathing: inhale for 4 seconds, hold for 4, exhale for 6 seconds, and repeat. Just 5 minutes a day can make a huge difference. Nature has given us powerful herbs that help soothe the nervous system. Some of the best ones include: chamomile tea is known for its calming effects and ability to improve sleep. Ashwagandha, an adaptogen that helps the body adapt to stress. Lavender tea helps reduce anxiety and promotes relaxation. Try swapping your evening coffee for a cup of one of these teas and see how much calmer you feel. Did you know that magnesium plays a huge role in reducing stress and anxiety? Many people are deficient in this mineral, which can lead to tension, headaches, and even panic attacks. Try adding magnesium-rich foods to your diet, like almonds, spinach, and dark chocolate. Or, consider a magnesium glycinate supplement before bed. Scents have a direct impact on our brain's emotional center. Essential oils like lavender, peppermint, and frankincense can instantly relax your mind. Use a diffuser, add a few drops to your pillow, or rub diluted lavender oil on your wrists before bed. Exercise isn't just good for your body, it's one of the best ways to relieve stress naturally. Movement releases endorphins, also known as happy hormones, that instantly boost your mood. You don't need intense workouts. Try yoga, stretching, or even a simple 10-minute walk outside. Now that you know these natural remedies, it's time to start incorporating them into your daily life. Which tip are you excited to try first? Let me know in the comments. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more health, beauty, and wellness tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.